Samebike JG7186 foldable electric bike is an affordable folding electric bike with 16-inch tire. The compact folding electric bike measuring 82 x 14 x 62 cm, deployed 140 by 61 by 110 cm, is suitable for people of all sizes with a maximum weight of up to 120 kg. It features a lithium-ion battery mounted on the frame. A 250W rear gear motor can overcome steep slopes up to 25 degrees and reaches a maximum speed of 25 km/h. The range with the pedal is approximately 50 by 65 km. Charging time is around 5 hours. 250W powerful motor offers a fast speed of up to 25 km/h. 7.5 Ah lithium battery allows 25 by 35 km range in pure electric mode, 55 by 56 km range by power assistance, LCD display with backlight, real-time speedometer, battery life, running speed, magnesium alloy, construction for extreme durability, maximum load 120 kg. Super bright LED headlight for added visibility and safety at night, collapsible for easy storage and transport, ideal for urban, community, short trip, shopping and daily use. The electric bike supports 3 riding modes. You can choose between pedal motorbike mode, pedal support and pure electric mode without pedals. In electric mode, the action is reduced to a range of 35 km. Front and rear disc brake ensure safety. A brake light indicator, a braking process. The headlight allows you to ride an electric bike even in the dark. The speedometer serves as an LCD display showing power range and speed. Next to it is an USB port that can be to charge adapter devices such as a smartphone, and the Samebike JG7186 is available in 5 different colors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.